Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video. In this video we'll learn about exception handling in Python using try, except, else and finally. So what is an exception? When Python finds an error, it stops the program and shows an error message. This error is called the exception. For example, if we simply print the value of x, so here this will give us an exception error where x is not defined. So this will don't do anything. So let's see a simple example of basic try and except. So firstly we use the try block. So here Python tries to run the code. If there is an error, it jumps into the except block instead of crashing. So let's see its output. So here we can see that the error is printed as an exception occurred. So we can handle specific errors using exception handling. So for example, let's see a variable is not defined. So we can find this by using try and except. So here you can catch specific errors like name error and type error also. So here we are finding a name error and a type error. So let's see its output. So here we can see that it gave us the output that variable x is not defined. And now I'll tell you how to use the else block. So here we are using the else block also. So here the else block runs only if there are no error. So let's see its output. So here we can see as there was no error, so it gave us the output and it printed no error. So else block only runs when there is no error. Now let's see an example for finally. When we use finally. So finally always run error if error are there or not. Finally will always run. So here finally will always run if there is an error or not. So let's see the output. So here we can see there was an error. So it printed something went wrong and finally block will always execute. And also you can raise your own exceptions. So today we learned what exceptions are, try and except, else and finally, and raise keyword. So this all in exception handling. If you like this video, do like, share, subscribe for more Python tutorials, and thanks for watching today's video.